To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. How to attract the right life partner. At some point in our lives, we all want to find the one. That someone you love unconditionally, cherish, and perhaps spend the rest of your life with. The person that allows you to express yourself in a more authentic manner. However, knowing how to attract the person into our lives can be a daunting task. However, with these tips, you can set yourself up for that one true love. Stay true to yourself. If you want to attract the right life partner, you have to stay true to yourself. Know what you really want so you can quickly connect with your soulmate. This is a time to be brutally honest with yourself about what you want in life, your values, principles, beliefs, and most especially, your happiness. Remember, happiness only comes to you when you know who you are. Never rely on your partner to be happy. Nobody but you is responsible for your personal happiness. The more honest you are with yourself, the easier you get to meeting the right partner. Follow your heart. When seeking for a life partner, you must follow your heart and your brain as well. Never focus solely on the outer package or the outward appearance. With time, the perfect hourglass figure or a muscular physique won't matter. Be led by your soul, rather than just your eyes. When you think this way, you get attracted to someone who appeals to you not just in the physical manner, but also psychologically and emotionally. Likewise, your soulmate will also be attracted to you in that very same way. Become a perfect person. In order to attract the right life partner, be the kind of person you want to be with. This means you need to become the best version of yourself. Someone that would meet your own high expectations if you were your own potential partner. For example, if you want to be with a generous person, be kind. This doesn't necessarily mean you should change for their sake, but rather focus on changing to improve your personal self, not for anyone. When you become a better person on the inside, it reflects outwardly. Be ready. Finally, you have to make sure you are ready for the right partner to come into your life. Being ready is a choice you make when you decide to live your best life, enjoy your job, and learn from your past failures and mistakes. If you're not in the right mental state or life stage to find a person you want to be with for the rest of your life, meeting that person won't automatically change that mentality. Being open-minded is key to finding the one. How else do you think one can attract the right life partner? If you have more to share, we'd love to hear from you in the comments section below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.